One thing I learned about running and people that run for fun, it's not that fun running if you don't run all the time. And especially if you're as old as me, running's just not that fun. I don't know how some people do it. It's a little crazy to me, but it is what it is, you know? Alright, today we have the Travis Scott Jumpman Jack Dark Mocha, and this is by far, as of right now, the best colorway out of the other two colorways that I reviewed. If you haven't seen those videos, check those out. But we got the Dark Mocha, and you know Travis Scott, with any model, he always has to make like a Mocha colorway. Like that was his claim to fame back with the Jordan 1s. It was the Mocha that just did it for everybody with the pink laces and all that. Then he had the low top version, and you know the rest is history. But today we have this Jumpman Jack. These do come with like a dust bag, and I actually appreciate dust bags nowadays because when I was traveling, the dust bag actually came in handy because I didn't want the shoe to be bouncing around and getting scuffed up inside a suitcase. So the dust bag helped protect them. So shout out to the dust bags. We don't usually get dust bag with Travis Scott sneakers, so it's nice to have them with this pair. And someone pointed out that this shoe is great and all that, but it needs to have more tech in it. And I'm kind of torn between that comment. Like I kind of agree and I kind of don't. But when you put the shoe on, it feels very standard. And I would recommend maybe going a half size up in these. I got all the other ones at 9.5, but for some reason this one was a little tighter than normal. I'm going to be doing that a lot in this video because the materials, the nubuck suede or whatever it is on this sneaker, it's really, really good. It's one of these sneakers that you definitely want to get like some water repellent spray, even though I don't use that spray. And I was taking a lot of chances stepping in like water making this video for the on foot. And this was like melted snow water, so I had to be really careful. You don't want to get the shoe wet at all, realistically. Again, use some type of repellent, but just be careful. And like I was mentioning before, I would recommend to go a half size up if you just want to make sure that these fit and you're actually going to wear them and not resell them. I would say go a half size up. You can go true to size, but it's a little risky, and it depends on the sock that you wear at that point. And of course, we have the Travis Scott smiley face, or is that a frown? I know there's a sad face, which is so childish, but it is what it is. Looks kind of like a frown to me, but that's what he puts on his shoes. And I actually heard that this time Nike is gonna be discontinuing the partnership with Travis, so that we'll have to just see in 2025 how that goes, because he makes a lot of money for Nike. He's made a lot of money for Nike over the past 5 years, and it will be interesting to see if he goes somewhere else to make sneakers. I just can't see him stopping to make sneakers for someone because it's a very, very lucrative deal and people are still stuck on them. The jack on the bottoms, that's dope. I like the white jack on the bottom. It's totally out of the color palette for the sneaker, but for some reason it's gonna work. Even though you won't really see it, it just looks kind of dope. A red jack on the bottom would have been dope too. And I just checked, November 26, 2024, these are supposed to release. And of course, they're gonna be $200. They're gonna sell out ultra fast. You know how it goes. I don't think I've actually ever hit on a pair of Travis Scotts before, so I'm lucky to have this pair. And on feet, they look great. They look really, really good. I like brown a lot on sneakers. I just got the Jordan 9s, not the Mocha 9s. I want to call them Mocha 9s, the Olive 9s. I just got the Olive 9s, and those are really, really nice. I know they kind of sat. They're actually still sitting at this point, but they're really, really nice. I think this is my second favorite pair out of the three. What is this? White, black, and sale, and I did 3 lace swaps on this one. I didn't have time to do it on this pair, and this pair was good too. But I like the other 2 colorways a little better. If I had to pick, it'd be the dark mochas, the black and white ones, and then the sale colorway. All fire. And one thing that's dope about Travis Scott's, you're going to get your laces. We got what is that, black and white speckles. You're going to get white. They also include brown, which is dope. So you'll have backup laces for other sneakers. The brown is dope. I don't think it's going to match. It doesn't match the sneaker, the main material much, but it'll probably work if you throw them in. It won't be a big deal. And I've learned over all the years of doing this that when they do colored laces that are supposed to match the sneaker other than like black, white, or sail, like if you got a blue shoe with blue laces, they don't really ever match up. But they did put some gloss on the sole if you caught that. I do like that because it'll help the sneaker age a lot better. That glossy black finish will help preserve the midsole from all the punishment you're going to put on it from walking on it and doing whatever. It'll kind of help them last a little bit longer. And honestly, there's not really too much going on with this shoe. Like someone said before, they should throw a little bit of more tech in here. I don't know if there's even air in this sneaker at all. If there is, it sure doesn't feel like it. And if they were to put like some zoom bags in the forefoot and the heel, then this sneaker would be like $240. It's already $200. You're paying for Travis's name most of all. And of course, all Travis Scott sneakers, they're good, but they're also huge money grabs. And they're also annoyingly hard to get through like raffles and sneakers app and all that stuff. Resale is always up. There's been a few models where the resale wasn't that high, but the models weren't actually that sought after. And these are going for like, I just seen them on GOAT. You can get them now for like $393 in a US size 10. And I think that price is going to increase. The resale's not too crazy on this sneaker as of right now for all 3 colorways. For me personally, anything over $300 resale starts to get out of my range. I mean, shit, even after $250, I'm starting to be like, what am I really doing here? But they're dope, though. As always, let me know, are you guys going to try to go for them? I mean, I'm going to actually try. Hitting on them is a different story, but I'm going to try. But let me know, are these dope? Are these too bland for you? Again, I love brown, so they're perfect for me. Would you pay resale for them? Do you think they're that great? I forgot what does that mean on the strap? Does that mean like Travis Scott, Jumpman, Jack something? And like, I don't know what that means, but peace, love, and light, guys. I'll catch you on the next one, and I'm out.